In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checklists in Trello. If you're looking to streamline your tasks and keep everything organized, checklists in Trello are a fantastic tool to use. Whether you're managing a project, planning an event, or simply keeping track of your daily to-dos, adding a checklist to your Trello cards can help you break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can start using checklists like a pro. Let's get started. First, open any card on your Trello board. This can be a card you've already created or a brand new one you've just added. Once the card is open, direct your attention to the right-hand panel of the card. This panel contains a variety of options for customizing and managing your card. From here, look for the option labeled Checklist. Click on it to access Trello's checklist feature. A field will appear where you can enter a name for your checklist. This name can be anything you like, something descriptive, such as to-do list, project tasks, or event prep. Once you've typed in the name, click the Add button, and just like that, your checklist will be created within the card. Now it's time to start adding tasks to your checklist. Click into the empty field that appears under your checklist. Type in the first task you want to add, and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will save the task and create a new empty field below it for the next item. Simply continue typing your tasks one by one and pressing Enter after each one. This is a quick and straightforward way to build out your checklist. As you work through your tasks, you can mark them as complete by clicking the checkbox next to each one. When you do this, you'll notice that Trello automatically updates a progress bar at the top of your checklist. This gives you a visual representation of how much you've accomplished and how much is still left to do. If you're using Trello Premium, you have the additional option to assign checklist items to specific teammates. To do this, click the person icon located next to an individual checklist item, then select the teammate you want to assign it to. This feature is especially useful for collaborative projects, as it helps ensure that everyone knows what they need to work on. Another helpful feature is the ability to copy items from an existing checklist. If you have a checklist you've used before and want to reuse it, click on the checklist option again and select Copy Items From. This will allow you to pull in tasks from a previously created checklist, saving you time and effort. Finally, if you ever need to turn a checklist item into its own card, Trello makes that easy too. Simply hover over the item in your checklist, and you'll see the option to convert. Click on it, and the item will be transformed into a standalone card that you can manage separately on your board. And there you have it. Adding and managing checklists in Trello is a straightforward process, and with these tips you can make the most out of this powerful feature. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, checklists will help you stay organized, on track, and productive. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.